Okay friends, now we see another problem. See, it is in many engineering entrance examinations it appeared. See, the points they'll give you, 4 points taken in order, which forms what type of a quadrilateral, whether it is a rectangle or a rhombus or square or parallelogram. See, the same problem, it is appeared in engineering entrance. See, the points minus 5 comma 12, minus 2 comma minus 3, 9 comma minus 10, 6 comma 5 taken in order form either parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus or square. We have to find out. So I'll show you a very easy and shortcut method to find out this. Okay, so we should all know all the properties of parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus and square very well. See, I have taken this figure like this, assumption, like it's not either square or parallelogram or anything. Suppose the ABCD are the points given, say A, so B, C, D. So these are the 4 points taken in order. Now what we have to do is, we need not find out any distances or anything. We can find out some 6 slopes and easily you can identify whether it is what type of a quadrilateral. Suppose M1 this one, M2, M3, M4 and these diagonals are M5 slope and M6 slope. Now how to do this one is, now I have calculated M1 slope, you know, minus Y1, Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. Okay, this is minus 3, minus 12, minus 15 and minus 2 plus 5, it is 3. So M2 I found out, M3 is minus 15 by 3, M4 is minus 7 by 11. Now M1 is equal to M3, M2 is equal to M4. That means here you see M1 and M3, they are equal. That means, and opposite sides are parallel. That means either it is a rectangle or a parallelogram or a rhombus, so or a square. So in all these cases the sides are parallel. But if I find out here M1 into M2, I got it is not equal to minus 1. When it is not equal to minus 1, what does it mean? It is not equal to 90 degrees. So that means here it is not 90. So when it is not 90, either it should be either parallelogram or rhombus, because in rectangle and in square this angle will be 90 degrees. Okay. So they are not perpendicular. M1, M2 are not perpendicular. That means here there is no 90 degrees. Because it is not 90, nowhere is 90 is possible. Okay. So therefore, we can assume that it is either parallelogram or rhombus. How to find out? So we should know one very important thing. So all the diagonals of parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square bisect each other. Bisect each other means they exactly divides each line into half of. But in rectangle, in rhombus and in square, there is an additional property. They bisect each other perpendicularly. Means they both are perpendicular as well as bisect each other. Now if I say this one, M5, if I found out minus 22 by 14 I got, and M6 is 8 by 8. So it is equal to 1. Now M5 into M1 not equal to minus 1. That means here it is not 90 degrees. So as here it is not 90, it can't be a rhombus. So the only left over is parallelogram. Therefore, the option is 1, that is parallelogram, right? So you got it. So I found out M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 and M6. That means the 4 slopes and 2 diagonal slopes. Okay. Here I found out M1 is equal to M3, M2 is equal to M4. That means opposite sets are parallel. Because opposite sets are parallel, it is either, it can be anything. Okay. But here the adjacent of lines are not equal to 90 degrees. That means it is either parallelogram or rhombus. It can't be rectangle and square. Then I found out M5 and M6, where if it is 90 degrees it will be rhombus, otherwise it is parallelogram. So here if I find out M5 and M6, it is not equal to minus 1. Therefore the given figure is a parallelogram. Okay friends, we'll stop here. See you in the next class.